Asha was getting frustrated and tired of life. So she asked her father what to do. Her father told her to bring an egg, 2 tea leaves, and a potato. He then brought out 3 vessels, filled them with water, and placed them on the stove. Once the water was boiling, he told Asha to place the items into each pot and keep an eye on them. After 10 minutes, he asked Asha to peel the egg, peel the potato, and strain the leaves. Asha was left confused. Her father explained. Each item was placed into the same circumstance, that is, boiling water. See how each responded differently? He continued. The egg was soft, but it is now hard. The potato was hard, but it is now soft. And the tea leaves, they changed the water itself. The father then asked, when adversity calls, we respond in the same manner as they have. Now, are you an egg, a potato, or tea leaves? The moral of the story is we can choose how to respond in difficult situations.